everybody. So today we got something special. We're heading out to go pick up a dirt bike, a little Yamaha dirt bike. Kind of a surprise. So it's just me and Kira. And yeah, so it's kind of a surprise. The two younger ones don't know. Just keeping it that way because it's always more fun anyway. So we're on our way right now. We're gonna go meet up with the guy, check it out. Obviously, you know, try to haggle, get it a little cheaper, and see if it's, as long as it's all good and it looks just like it does in the ad, then we'll snack it up, take it home, and do some test rides. So stay tuned for that. So we're almost there. So what do you think it is, Kira?
I think it's a
Yamaha. I think it's a KTM.
I think
Husky.
it's
Husqvarna.
I think it's a Yamaha.
Are you willing to put some money on that?
I'm not
Put a
sure.
bet on that, huh?
Yeah.
It's okay. I mean, if you lose, you lose. It's not, it's just part of life. You lose the bet, not a big deal.
Yeah.
So you think it's a Yamaha?
Yeah. Yamaha.
Okay, well, we're almost there. We'll find out, check that thing out, and like I said, hopefully we'll get some riding in tonight and see how it goes. So.
Guys, so we just got here, and my daddy's talking to the person, and we're getting the bike. I'm really excited, and it's really cold out here, and yeah, it's really small.
What's up? All right, so we just got it, just scooped up the bike. We're headed home right now. So long story short, it was a little bit more scratched than the pictures showed, but that's pretty typical. Everybody tries to find the best picture of it, that they ever took and use that. So I'm not really surprised. I was able to negotiate with the guy a little bit. Still got a good price, just what it is. And it's kind of nice actually, because I think this way I'm not going to have to worry about it. I can, if the bike falls down, if it gets scratched up, whatever, it's not such a big deal because it's not brand new off the showroom floor. So that's kind of the cool thing about buying used. It's not such a big deal if it does take a spill. It's kind of like, oh well. But other than that, it actually starts up, runs. Everything checks out. It's a nice bike. So I don't know, Kira, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, and I won the bet, by the way.
Yeah, Kira did win the bet, obviously. It was a Yamaha, I think, because she's freaking nosy. And she's already always looking at what I'm looking at on my phone. So I'm not too surprised about that. But so it's kind of late. We're getting don't have the training wheels, I'm gonna have to buy the training wheels. So the little ones won't be able to ride tonight, but we'll get home. We'll have Kira jump on it, ride it around a bit. We'll get some shots of that, and yeah, we'll go from there. As soon as the training wheels come in, we'll make some more videos of the little ones, and yeah, we'll do that. So. Oh my God! Let's try it out. Guys, so here we are, we're back at home, and Kira is on it, giving it some test rides. We got it warmed up so it's not dying out, and it's hard to see. I know it's hard to see, but we'll get some better shots. I just wanted her to ride it before it got dark. Hopefully she doesn't fall down on camera, but yeah, so that's actually pretty good. Good little bike. It's got a little squeak in it, probably from the bearings. Bearings probably just need to be re-greased. So we'll clean it up. We'll check out the chain. We'll do all the maintenance stuff. The guy said that he changed the spark plug, changed the oil. So I'll check the oil, double check, just to make sure. But definitely clean up the chain, lube the chain, do all that typical maintenance stuff. Check the bearings. They probably need re-greasing, so we'll do that, and we'll have some fun with it. So hopefully the next time you see that little bike right there, we are having some fun with it. So see, what do you think, Vivian?
Good.
You excited? Yeah? I'm gonna put training wheels and you can actually ride that thing.
Okay.
Yeah, for real. I'm serious.
Okay.
Are you excited? That's gonna be your little baby bike. And we'll have to get Kira a bigger one. So stay tuned for that. There's a lot of stuff coming, a lot of new movements, a lot of new bikes. Just trying to get these kids into it and exposed to it. And yes, I know they're girls, but you know, nothing says girls can't ride. So, but you know, I'm just trying to have fun, make memories with these kiddos while they're still young. So, we'll see how that stuff goes. But yeah, stay tuned. There's gonna be some cool videos coming up.